In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can earn money online through this free Google trick. I will show you how you can set up this passive income stream by leveraging a very simple and basic Google trick just with one click of a button using this completely free software. This strategy is also completely free, meaning you won't have to invest any money to do this. You won't need your own website, and it is not related to affiliate marketing in the slightest. Also, make sure you watch till the end of this video because I'll be sharing a special bonus with you. Alright, let's get started. So for step 1, I want you to head over to news.google.com. That will take you to Google News, which is a news service developed by Google where you will be able to find all of the latest news worldwide. If you look here on the left-hand side, you can see all of these different categories, including your country, what's currently happening in the world, your local news, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. If you click on business right here, that will give you all of the latest business news either in the country you are in or around the world. Now for step number 2, every few hours these news articles will update, which will provide you new articles that will pop up frequently. If you look here, this article was posted just 1 hour ago. Then each of these were also posted several hours ago. So what you can do is open any of these articles and use them to earn money online. So as an example, we can use this one here. So I'll just click on it to open it, and it will then redirect me to this page. And if we scroll through it, we can see the entire article in which you can use to earn money. And I'll explain exactly how you can earn money with this article very shortly. So what you're going to do very shortly is copy this article, then head over to this other website I will show you. So for step 3, the next website I want you to head over to is one called quillbot.com. Quillbot is a free online tool that will rewrite any text you paste in here into new original words. So you can copy any text from any article, paste it here, click paraphrase here, then have brand new text that you can use as your own words and earn money from repeatedly. But Quillbot only allows you to paste about 100 characters at a time in here, so you will have to just copy about a paragraph worth of text, then paste it here, click paraphrase, then receive your new rewritten text here. So you can see how powerful this tool is. You can see the original text here, then on the right side you can see that text rewritten in a very professional manner. So what you can do is copy this rephrased text and paste it into a new Google document. Then just repeat this process until you've completed the entire article. And you can do this with any and all of these articles here on Google News from any category you like. Each of these articles can earn you money over and over again, and I'll show you how to do that very shortly. I will also show you some free bonuses to earn you even more money, so stay tuned for that. Next, I will move on to step 4, but before I do that, please consider subscribing to Cashflow Worldwide if you haven't already. So moving on to step 4, there are essentially 2 different ways you can earn money with these rephrased articles you produced. The first way won't make you very much money, but the second way can potentially earn you thousands of dollars. It's even made many people tens of thousands of dollars from all over the world. So for the first way, you will want to head over to textbroker.com. Textbroker works with some pretty huge companies like Yoast, Staples, Searchmetrics, Auto, eBay, and Conductor. This website will pay you to write these articles. And you won't need to write these articles yourself, of course, because you can just use the process involving Quillbot completely for free. So when you get to textbroker.com, just click on I Write Content, which will redirect you to this page right here. Here you can learn more about how to make money by writing articles for TextBroker. It's totally free to sign up and create an account with TextBroker and start making money. If you scroll down to the payment section and click More Information, you'll be able to calculate how much money you can make. So you can see here that for 1,000 words, you can make $55. And when you look for articles on Google News, you will be able to find tons of articles that have at least 1,000 words. So if you produced a 12,000 word article, you'll be able to make $660. The best part is that you can do this repeatedly. But remember, you won't earn nearly as much money with this as you could with the second method. So to get started with TextBroker, just click here where it says free author registration, create a free account, and start earning money with those articles. Now the next way you can make money with these free articles is by using freelancing websites like Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, Guru.com, peopleperhour.com, and much more. There are tons of different freelancing websites you can use, and the more you use, the more money you can make. So if you were to sell on 10 different freelancing websites, you can 10x your earnings. But if you were to sell on only one website, you will only earn from that website. So the more freelance websites you use, the more money you will earn. So if you head over to Fiverr.com or any other freelance website and search article writing, that will show you all of these different people who are earning money by writing and creating very simple articles. articles. But they are actually doing this the hard way because they are doing it themselves. That's why it takes them much more time and effort to write these articles. And when someone hires someone, the person who hired them does not like to wait. So since you are able to deliver these articles almost instantly, you will be much more ahead of each of your competitors. That will enable you to make way more money comparably. And you can see here that there are tons of other people who are doing this and getting hundreds